We got 8,800 follicles to cover the entire head from the front to the back. It's going to be a big change. So God, we're going to see after a year with a new look.
I've been noticing you for the last 5 years, and I always wanted to get it done only by you. So I'm so thankful and grateful to you that you have given me the time and your service. Your stops were wonderful. I can't explain enough in any words that how grateful I am, and I hope I'll look much better from here on.
Hi, Dr. Manoj. This is Shubhrata from New Jersey. I did my hair transplant from you about a year ago, and I thank you for helping me out.
Hi, my name is Shubhrata Shah, and I got this hair transplant back in 2022 in October, and I'm back after 2.5 years, and I really very glad and happy that I got it done through Dr. Manoj. He is a magician. I have to tell you this, because guess what? I was traveling from New Jersey to California, and when I was checking in, this fellow was looking at me and making sure that this is the right person, because on my passport I had the old picture. So this is the changes that I love it. I mean, again, at the end of the day, I would say I'm very happy, and I would recommend each and everyone to be here. So when I got it done, when I went back to New Jersey, USA, a lot of people ask me, when did you get it done? Did you get it done in Turkey? Did you get it done in UK? And I said, no, I didn't go anywhere. I went back to my own city of joy, Kolkata. I got it done from Dr. Manoj Khanna. So again, my nephew, he was saying, Uncle, you know what? You look even way younger than you used to look 20 years back. That was really surprising. So I'm totally, thrilled, excited, very, very happy. Again, thank you.